Adding Ask button in Tumblr blog is easy. Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. Let's find out how we can add Ask button in Tumblr. First, from your dashboard's account link, you need to select your blog. Now, on the right side, we have blog settings. If you click on it, we have this page in the middle. Now scroll down until you find Let People Ask Questions under Ask portion. Now if you toggle this to off, even though if your team has Ask button, it will not show it. But if you turn it on, toggle this on, you can see Ask Me Anything or something like that. If you want to change the title of that Ask button, we can write in here, Inquiry Me. Alright, let's check if it has taken effect. Let's go to our address, Pikachu Lady. Here it is, Inquiry Me. It was Ask Me Anything before. That's how you add Ask button in Tumblr. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.